Hi, it's Family Driver. Welcome to another video. Today I'm very excited because this is my first test drive after this car was lowered. So I finally pulled the trigger and I got Eibach springs for my car. So these are the Motech ones. So minus 25 millimeters at the front and minus 20 at the rear. They also call it a Motech Stance. It's not the Stance Plus, which they recently released, which drops the car by minus 30 and minus 25. I didn't want to go too low. I wanted to retain the comfort, but on the other side I didn't want to get Eibach Pro Kit, which is only minus 15 and minus 10, because you can hardly actually see it on the car. Therefore I thought it will be the best to go with the normal Motech springs. And ooh, that was the first hard corner, and actually the car feels totally different. It feels very stable. Wow, right, okay, so I can tell you straight away, the car still feels comfortable. It feels tighter. It doesn't feel so loose like it did before. So I'm really impressed with this spring so far. The car is comfortable. I would say not less comfortable than before. It's much stiffer in the corners, so when you're taking a corner, it feels brilliant. It feels brilliant. It feels like a new car. So I'm on the bumpy road now, and to be honest, it still retained the comfort, which is amazing. It just feels tighter. It doesn't bounce too much. It is stiffer. It is definitely stiffer, and you can feel it, and it doesn't roll in the corners anymore. But it's still comfortable. Right, so I'm going to jump on a tighter section of the road with some bumps. After doing the first initial couple of miles, I can tell you straight away the car feels so much better, and I'm not sure why I was waiting, why I was afraid to pull the trigger to get these springs. I was so afraid that the car will become uncomfortable and unenjoyable, and it didn't. It feels almost the same, but it just feels better in, you know, every aspect. It's not less comfortable. It feels much stiffer, much stable on the road. It doesn't move around. It's perfect. This is very bumpy part of the road. Tell you now that I absolutely love it. The springs are worth every penny. I paid £225 with delivery from Motech, and money well spent, really money well spent. So to summarize this drive, I absolutely love it. It feels perfect. It feels much tighter. It looks better. It drives better. Even on a bumpy road, it gives you more confidence than before. So I highly recommend it. Go get it. You won't regret it. I'm going to wrap up this video now. Please give it thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're new. There's more videos coming when I'm going to talk about the springs, about Blue Spark, and about other modifications to this car. So stay tuned and stay safe. I'll see you next time. Thank you.